वेलकम बैक टू डॉक्टर कुक चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पीसीओएस, पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम। आजकल ऑलमोस्ट हर दूसरी लड़की इस वर्ड से रिलेट करती है। इरेगुलर पीरियड्स, वेट गेन, एक्ने, हेयर फॉल और गूगल पे सर्च कि पीसीओएस क्यूरेबल है क्या? क्या इससे प्रेगनेंसी नहीं रह पाएगी? सोशल मीडिया पे इतनी मिक्स्ड इंफॉर्मेशन है कि कंफ्यूजन और स्ट्रेस ही बढ़ रहा है। तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना आज डॉक्टर कुक चैनल पे हम पीसीओएस को सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझाएं। और इसके लिए हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर नेहा सोनी। डॉक्टर नेहा इज वन ऑफ द फेमस obstetrician and gynecologist from Thane region. She is attached to the multiple hospitals like Bhanushali Hospital and Kaushalya Hospital in Thane. डॉक्टर नेहा सोनी पीसीएस को प्रैक्टिकली मैनेज करने के टिप्स आज शेयर करेंगी। लाइफस्टाइल, ट्रीटमेंट और प्रेगनेंसी से रिलेटेड कई सवाल जो आजकल उस लड़की के मन में होता है जो पीसीएस से परेशान है। सो अगर आप या आपसे रिलेटेड कोई भी महिला या लड़की पीसीओएस से परेशान है तो ये एपिसोड हमने उनके लिए बनाया है। सो लेट्स टॉक पीसीएस द राइट वे। So welcome Dr. Neha to our channel Dr. Cook. Today's podcast is on PCOS. So I really want to appreciate your giving so much time for this podcast.
Thank you, Dr. Karuna. It's a great privilege to be here today.
So without wasting much of your time, let's begin with this series. So what is PCOS? ये exactly होता क्या है और आजकल की यंग जनरेशन फीमेल्स, महिलाएं, इनमें ये कॉमनली क्यों बढ़ रहा है?
Yes. So PCOS, as everyone knows, is polycystic ovarian syndrome. Okay. And it is very common. The thing is, everyone knows about PCOS. Everyone has heard about PCOS. Even a patient who comes to me in the OPD, उसने सब पढ़ा है, सुना है. But the very fact is there is so much information out there that sometimes it gets confusing.
Yeah.
So very simple, PCOS is very common hormonal disorder in women of the reproductive age group. Okay. And it is characterized by three main things. First is irregular periods, मतलब periods बराबर नहीं आते हैं, periods delay हो जाते हैं. Second is कुछ symptoms होते हैं because of excess androgen. And third is a typical feature of cystic ovary seen on the sonography.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that is what is PCOS. Overall, आजकल उसका prevalence has increased. It is around 10% in women, ranging from 2% to 20%. And of course, the more number of cases in urban areas.
Yes. Almost every alternate female in our family also complaining of the same.
Yes. So there are multiple factors to this, but one of the most common factors is now there is increased awareness and there are better diagnostic tests available. And so there is, there is better diagnostic, better detection rates overall.
Yes, correct. So ये PCOS जो है, is it only a gynecological problem? यानी कि ये सिर्फ पीरियड्स तक सीमित है या ओवरीज रिलेटेड है या इसका पूरे शरीर पर कुछ असर हो सकता है?
Yes. So PCOS is not only related to gynae. Okay, so PCOS is actually a complex endocrine and a metabolic disorder, and it affects all other body systems as well. Okay, so जैसे कि हम देखेंगे PCOS में there are multiple symptoms, which we'll come to the symptoms later. But उसमें most important thing which happens is there is insulin resistance, and that can lead to type 2 diabetes, that can cause raised BP, that leads to increased risk of heart diseases. Okay. Also with this, it affects other organ systems. There is increased risk of endometrial cancer in PCOS. It causes mental health issues in PCOS. So it affects many organs. So you just cannot label it as, it is confined only to the ovary.
Okay. So it is a multi-system disorder, basically.
Yes.
Okay. So कौन से कॉमन सिम्टम्स होते हैं जो कि जनरली लड़कियां इग्नोर कर देती है सोच के कि बस कुछ तो वेदर रिलेटेड चेंजेस है या ऐसे ही कुछ डाइट में चेंजेस हुए रहेंगे? सो हमें कौन से सिम्टम्स में गौर करना चाहिए कि ये पीसीओएस की वजह से हो सकता है?
Yes, so the most common symptom, मतलब PCOS diagnose करने के लिए we use the Rotterdam criteria, for which even if you have 2 out of 3 things, it is diagnosed as PCOS. Okay. So the पहला वाला है is your symptoms. So irregular periods. So most common the patient will complain of irregular periods. महीना आ ही नहीं रहा है, 1.5 महीना हो गया, 2 महीना हो गया, आ ही नहीं रहा है. कभी-कभी मेडिसिन लेने के बाद ही आता है, वरना आता ही नहीं है. Okay. So irregular periods and scanty flow. This is a typical feature of PCOS that irregular with scanty flow. So first is your symptoms. Okay. Second comes all the symptoms of excess androgens. Okay, so that is when the patient will complain of there is acne. Okay, बहुत pimples आ रहे हैं face पे. Then
yes.
there is hair growth on the upper lip or chin. On the facial hair is increased. That is hirsutism. Okay. Third is she will complain of hair fall from the scalp. इधर से बाल बहुत झड़ रहे हैं. Okay, very typical symptoms. So all these are symptoms of excess androgen. Okay.
Okay.
Or on the blood test, if it is showing increased free testosterone, that is another second criteria which you have to take. And the third criteria which we use for diagnosis is the sonography feature of PCOS.
Okay.
So again, first is your symptoms. That is your period symptoms, irregular scanty flow. Second is all the symptoms of excess androgen. And third is the sonography finding.
Yes.
Okay. So these are all the symptoms. But कभी-कभी patients ऐसे भी symptoms होते हैं जो patients को लगता है कि because of poor appetite या because of lifestyle changes and इसकी वजह से just aging की वजह से ये हो रहा है and then they get ignored. Something simple as excessive weight gain. Okay, now this is not there in the diagnostic criteria, but patient is gaining weight and finding it difficult to lose that weight. Okay, that is another classic symptom of PCOS.
So basically all these routine symptoms like acne ये सब जब periods की irregularity या delayed period के साथ आते हैं तो हमें उस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए कि क्या ये PCOS की वजह से हो सकता है basically.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So जैसे कि आपने अभी कहा कि weight gain भी होता है तो बहुत सारा ऐसे confusion आजकल होता है कि PCOS की वजह से वजन बढ़ता है और कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि वजन बढ़ने से PCOS की समस्या बढ़ती है तो ये दो कंफ्यूजन आप कैसे सॉल्व करना चाहेंगी?
So yes, PCOS and weight gain, there is a very strong cyclical relation and they are quite dependent on each other. मतलब PCOS की वजह से वजन बढ़ता है और वजन बढ़ने के कारण PCOS के symptoms get more exacerbated. That is true. And all this is because of the insulin resistance component which is there in PCOS. Okay. Can I elaborate on that insulin resistance right now?
Yes, sure.
So, in insulin resistance, insulin का काम क्या है? Glucose को blood से cell में डालना. That is the main function of insulin. Okay, to put the glucose from the blood into the cell.
Yes.
Now in this PCOS, that is not happening. For some reason, it is not happening. वो glucose is still in the blood. Okay, that cell has become resistant to insulin. Insulin is just going on getting produced. Okay. Because there is excess insulin, it stimulates the pancreas further. It produces more insulin. So there is an insulin resistance picture and because of this ये act करता है ovary के cells पे. Okay, ovary के जो the theca cells and the stromal cells.
Okay.
और and that ovary produces excess androgen जो actually male hormone है.
Okay.
So normally ovary produces is only so much quantity, but now because of this excess insulin, it stimulates the ovary further and it produces so much of androgen. Okay, and this further leads to, it also acts on the liver and then it leads to more of free testosterone. Okay, and now those patients who are obese, जिनका मतलब वजन ज़्यादा है, they have more of fat cells, peripheral fat cells, and peripheral fat cells convert more of this androgen to more testosterone.
Okay.
More testosterone will lead to more insulin resistance.
Yeah.
So it just keeps on going around and around the circle. It's a vicious cycle. It needs to be broken. Yes.
Okay. So either of the ways, PCOS will increase the weight gain and people
weight gain will
having
lead to more symptoms. Yes, and it also becomes very difficult to lose weight. It's very easy to tell the patient how to lose weight, but a patient with PCOS, it's very difficult to lose weight.
Yes. So weight gain के अलावा जैसे कि बहुत सारी लड़कियों को फिर कंफ्यूजन रहता है या डाउट आता है कि क्या हमारी फर्टिलिटी इससे अफेक्ट होगी, क्या ये नेचुरली कंसीव कर पाएंगे, प्रेगनेंसी में कुछ दिक्कत आ सकती है पीसीओएस के कारण?
अगेन दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन स्ट्रेस. मतलब जब भी पेशेंट ऐसे यंग पेशेंट्स आते हैं तो उनके साथ जब भी उनके मॉम आती है तो मॉम का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहता है कि प्रेगनेंसी होगी ना. ओके, सो दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन कंसर्न एंड मिथ. और ये एक मिथ है कि पीसीओएस में नेचुरली प्रेग्नेंट रह ही नहीं सकते. दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. बट अगेन ये पीसीओएस में यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कि पीसीओएस में क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. So for this, how I tell my patients who are especially these college girls. So PCOS में जब भी normal ovary है तो normal ovary में in a normal cycle, okay,
Okay.
so sort of that ovary selects out of all the follicles or all the eggs, there is one monitor. One
Mhm.
monitor leads the class, one monitor becomes big, and that egg is released, and then there is ovulation.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and then this is a normal cycle.
Yes.
Then after 15 days, you will get your periods.
Yes.
Now in PCOS, no one wants to become the monitor. Okay,
Yeah.
देर आर जस्ट स्मॉल स्मॉल एग्स है, वो छोटे छोटे अंडे वैसे छोटे ही रहते हैं, किसी को भी
हाँ.
मॉनिटर नहीं बनना है, किसी को भी आगे नहीं जाना है.
Okay.
Okay, in fact, all of them just want to become a monitor or all don't want to do anything.
Yeah.
And so वो सोनोग्राफी में पिक्चर रहता है कि छोटे छोटे अंडे ऐसे ही जमा हुए हैं ओवरी में, पर कोई भी एक अंडा रिलीज नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ.
There is no ovulation happening, and because
Okay.
there is no ovulation, she is not going to get her periods on time.
Yes.
And again, because there is no ovulation, for a couple to plan the fertile period and to conceive sometimes becomes difficult, because ovulation ही track नहीं कर पा रहे, ovulation ही irregular हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Okay, so for the couple to plan the fertile days and to conceive, it gets difficult sometimes. But again, you know, with lifestyle changes and with medicines, which we will come to later, it is possible to completely reverse this, and the patient with PCOS can absolutely get pregnant. There is no doubt about it.
Okay. 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 So अब तक हमने देखा कि PCOS is a polycystic ovarian syndrome. तो
Yes.
कभी कभी हम सुनते हैं कि पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिसीज विच इज अ PCOD. तो PCOS एंड PCOD क्या ये सेम है या इनमें कुछ डिफरेंस आता है?
So there is absolutely no difference between PCOS and PCOD.
Okay.
Again, PCOD is sort of a old nomenclature. तभी लगता था कि ये disease सिर्फ ओवरी के लिए लिमिटेड है. Okay, that is why it was labeled as PCOD. उसके पहले तो actually it was called Steve Leventhal syndrome. Then it was labeled as PCOD because उनको लगा कि सिर्फ ये ओवरी का ही प्रॉब्लम है, ओवरी में सिस्ट हो रहे हैं, that's it. But now, like we discussed, it is a syndrome. Okay, it affects multiple organ systems, multiple body parts.
Yes.
So actually the right nomenclature is PCOS.
Okay. Okay. So multi-system disorder basically.
Yes.
Correct. So अब तक हमने देखा कि physical health can be affected because of this PCOS and not just the ovaries or the period related issues. So जो physical health के साथ क्या PCOS की वजह से mental health भी affect हो सकती है, जैसे कि stress, anxiety और depression जैसी चीजें आ सकती है?
Yes, it is very important. So PCOS can cause significant mental health issues. Most commonly, as you mentioned, there are mood disorders. It can lead to anxiety, depression. Also, these young girls, especially because sometimes they have weight gain, they have, this hirsutism, acne. So there are a lot of, they have low self-confidence. They have body image issues. Because in Sabko, there is so much of social media pressure and presence that they need to maintain. And sometimes, because of all this, they have a lot of body issues. Self-esteem is very low sometimes in this.
Yes.
So that adds on to the anxiety and depression. They sometimes have eating disorders. So all this is a part of PCOS also.
Okay. So अब तक हमने देखा कि PCOS होता क्या है. It is not just related to the ovary or the periods, but it can affect entire physical health of a woman, and along with that मेंटल हेल्थ पे भी असर करेगा क्योंकि फिजिकल हेल्थ अफेक्ट हो रही है तो उसका भी स्ट्रेस आपको है, फर्टिलिटी रिलेटेड कंफ्यूजन है. तो ये सारी चीजें एड ऑन करके आपको स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन जैसे भी सिम्टम्स आ सकते हैं. तो हमें अब जानना
mainly we missed ki why is it happening, no? So we need to know why is PCOS happening nowadays more. So one thing is important is there is some genetic predisposition रहता है, if family में किसी को there is history of PCOS, there is history of type 2 diabetes, then that patient is more likely to develop PCOS. So there are some genetic and environmental factors, but most common factor which leads to PCOS, and again I tell my patients that it is a lifestyle disorder. ये आजकल सबके lifestyle में गड़बड़ है, इसकी वजह से ये हो रहा है. And by lifestyle, there are four things which are most important. Okay, first is coming to diet, and everyone's diet has gone for a toss. Okay, there is more indulgence in junk, processed, बाहर का खाना ही खाना है, घर का खाना खाना नहीं है. So if your diet has gone for a toss, that is the first thing. Second is sedentary lifestyle, no exercise. Third is poor quality sleep. Okay, so patients गो टू 7 पेशेंट से हाँ मैं तो सोती हूँ ना, रात को 3 बजे सोती हूँ और सुबह 8 बजे उठती हूँ। पता है 3 बजे सोना इज नॉट नॉर्मल, यू नो योर बॉडी इज यूज्ड टू सम सर्केडियन रिदम.
Yes,
You
yes.
are supposed to sleep on time, have a good quality sleep and wake up on time.
Yeah,
So poor quality sleep also adds to this hormonal imbalance. And fourth is stress. So these are four important things, and when they
so
go for a
everything is
toss.
like a circle. You get the
Yes, yes,
PCOS,
yes,
increase the stress. Stress is there,
yes.
you get the PCOS. So
Increase
everything is a
PCOS.
circle. So
Yes.
in the next episode, we would like to discuss: can we control this PCOS? Can is it a treatable disease? और
Yes.
स्ट्रेस को कैसे कम करना है? तो अब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर नेहा. लेट्स कनेक्ट इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड फॉर द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ दिस PCOS. थैंक यू सो मच अगेन.
Sure. Thank you.
तब तक के लिए डॉक्टर की सुनिए, ट्रेंड की नहीं. और प्लीज फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल डॉक्टर को. थैंक यू सो मच.